Hello, I'm Marius Von Brasch and I'm here in Hawkwood, at Hawkwood College and currently running a course on painting and alchemy. I'm a painter, contemporary painter, who is very, very much interested in self-development and how to apply some of the teachings of ancient alchemy to painting in the structure of a course. The course offers participants more knowledge about medieval alchemy and Renaissance imagery and how to respond in a contemporary way with their own paintings to these images. The structure of the course is that we have during the day, most of the day, 2 sessions in the morning from 10 till about 1 and in the afternoon from 3 till about 6 in the studio painting work. We work only with watercolors due to the short duration of this course, and it's on paper which I will prepare. It's a quite thick paper, so it's not meant to just copy works in the painting sessions, but to really allow the own response, the own feelings, impressions, the own development that is coming with alchemy as well in ourselves, to bring this on paper. Well, I've been involved in other courses, running courses here in Hawkwood, and have done painting and alchemy the previous year. I love the space for its vision. I mean, in terms of community and openness for, Center for Future Thinking applies to my interest very much, and how we can contribute to a more conscious society, to more conscious decisions in terms of ecology, in terms of philosophy and art. And I find this is really delivered here at this place very, very much, and therefore I like to support and work here.
Well, Hawkwood is a very, very special, magical place. It's the second time I've been residential here, and the whole grounds are magnificent. Food. It's wonderful to be able to be residential and have food prepared for you. Magnificent, beautiful food. But just the care from all the staff. There's always someone who can help or add things, can direct, on the practical side of just being in this magnificent setting. Out into the woods, and of course the spring and the great sycamore that overhangs and looks after as the guardian of the spring. It's a magical, magical place, and I feel very privileged to have had this time here.
Certainly quite a few paintings, and also maybe another perspective on alchemy and how it ties in ecological thinking, for example, to have more respect for the working of nature and human spirit and animal spirit, natural spirit, and to have the more awareness of the openness of becoming more than, and I will in the courses try to really apply this to contemporary thinking, the alchemical thinking, but it is an openness for the aliveness of the whole world.
Well, it's almost impossible to sum up in just a few words, because I've been on such a journey in the 3 days of the course. But what have I gained? I think inspiration, definitely. Encouragement to continue on the journey that this has started for me. A recognition of myself that was barely in focus before I did the course. But particularly with Marius, the teacher, I felt he could see who I was becoming as I was opening up to the alchemical process, really, through paint, which is not a medium that I know. And so in his recognition and confirming something in me, I feel I now recognise more of myself, and I'm excited for the whatever is my next step or steps.
It's completely flexible. I'm very interested in people who think they can't paint, and artists who have artist blocks. This is very frequent, had happened to me as well, and it's very helpful actually to have something to look at making art from another level, and also to try to make art when you haven't got a lot of experience with a theme that touches you on a personal level. And my interest is really to accompany and to assist very individual ways of working. So I'm not interested in promote generic painting and so on. It is really to help to build the own signature in paintings.